Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. I am about to attempt my entry into the March edition of Panda-Frog's Challenge Coin. Hashtag it Panda-Frog 21 Mar for all the videos in the March challenge. Now what Panda-Frog wants us to do, we've got a chance of getting 3 entries. If we pick a logo lock, that is a lock with a Lock Sporters logo on it. So, you know me, I'm going to go all in. Got this beautiful logo lock from Starrylock. So, I have picked it, I've stuck at picking it. Let's see if I can pick it, give myself half a chance. I've got it open the once, so I figure we'll try and get it open twice. Now that's our bidding, pretty high in there. That's a beautiful lock, nice snap, and it that's the key, nice key with Mako on it, I like that. And this lock I won in Starrylock's 1,000 subscriber draw. So I thought that was pretty cool to win a logo lock. So we're going to stick it in the vise. Give myself half a chance of picking it. Where'd the key go? Let's see that we haven't squashed the core. Yep, we're good. Okay. Try and get a bit closer to the vise, picking away from my body here. So I'll be going in with this thing. I don't know what Tag 5 industry calls it, well I call it the swoop, and a thick tension bar. So for 2 entries you can pick a challenge lock, and for 1 entry you can pick any lock you have. Do a shout out if you like, but that's not, you know, it's not a requirement, but it's nice to give a shout out. So, shout out to Panda-Frog, loving the new logo, mate. Very happy I've got my sticker. Alright. Like to put a shotty down the bottom so I don't damage the base of the lock if I'm levering off it. Oh, come on, go in. Okay. There we go. It's in, it's not in. Okay, best start. Here we go. Almost there. Yep. Okay, so that does nothing. That's just to protect the base of the lock. So this thing's on quite an angle to pick it. It's quite interesting, and because of that key bidding, I'm thinking this one will come in and swoop those big ones up without taking out those overset traps in front. How many pins have we got? It's a 6-pinner. Very nice. Okay. Little bit of movement on the core. You want to come in close. Here we go. Try not to knock the camera. Get my angle right. Okay, just touch 6, got a little movement on the core. So what I figured out picking this lock, it was really weird because so many clicks, like back and forth, up and down the core, lots of clicks all the time. So I will be going into concentration mode, where I try and visualize the lock inside and the pick and what it's all doing, so I can understand them clicks. And the clicks are those serrations on the pins. This may be a long video, so you might want to grab a cuppa. So you basically pick it like an American lock, you know, gentle, one click at a time. Unless you're speed picking it, then you just power through it. I'm not sure what the model number of this Mako lock is. The box had no markings on it, no identifier, didn't even identify the make. The Mako is just a blank box. movement on the core, that's a good sign. There's going to be someone up the back. Everyone else feels set. It's definitely the pin up the back. Alright, very nice. Oh, so happy to get that on camera. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful lock. Okay, so now I'm gonna gut it because I really want to see what's inside. So if you don't want to stick around for this bit, sweet, no offense taken. Just happy to have you watch the pick. Okay, square nut, round hole. No, yep. Square nut, round screw. That's what I meant to say. That's what we look like on the inside. Look at that, they marked the front of the lock for us. That's very nice of them. Okay, it has got one of those wafery things in it, so everyone uses the same manufacturer or the same design, and no one's prepared to put the extra dollars in and stopping that bypass problem where you can just stick a bypass tool straight in the back and hit that actuator and turn the lock. But anyway, that's not our problem, that's a manufacturing company's problem. That's yeah, we'll lock her up. That's a money saving thing they do. Oh well, that's as loose as that can. Not gonna fight me there, is it? Shim it because we don't know what's in it. I'm assuming it's the same size as an American. Well, you have to shim it, there's a valley there. Oh, pop that out in my hand, no worries. Let's give that a home. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number 2. Okay. Show you what the core looks like in relation to the key. So that's how deep they're all the way down there. Very nice bitting to pick with. And a nice core, not full of graphite like the American, not graphite, grease like the Americans. Okay, it looks like looks like the dogs are starting. Looks like all of them are serrated except for 3, 4, and 5 because they're so short. The serrations don't look as sharp as... Hey! Come on! I'm bashing in the furniture. Okay, they just don't actually spring out at you, which is nice. They look quite rounded. Okay, that's alright, let's dump the springs. Cool. Take you down for a bite, Pete. Okay, so yeah, they don't look as sharp as the American lock ones. It's all a bit rounded. So standard in 6. Oh, where are we? Yep. Serrated in 5. Spool in 4. Spool in 3. Spool in 2. Hitting the camera. Spool in 1. Serrated. Serrated. Standard. Serrated. So there you go. That's the Mako logo lock from Starrylock for Panda-Frog's challenge coin for March. Hashtag it Panda-Frog 21 March for all the videos. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around for this long, greatly appreciated. You just hung out for the start. Thanks for watching. Appreciate that as well. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.